Hi there folks, and welcome back to the channel. Rather exciting day today. As you can see, we're having a bit of an unboxing. This is a very special unboxing for me, I have to say. It's I've got one of my grail piece is really the best way, it's the only way to describe it. So this isn't really going to be an objective unboxing and first impressions. I can't say that it's going to be like that at all, because I'm actually far too excited for that. I just want to get into this box. Now it's this is something that I've been looking forward to getting for yeah, a long time. Yeah, I say it's probably about 5 years been working towards this. We'll get rid of the rubbish on the floor. I'll just pop that out of there and leave that box over there, and here we go. Make sure that that is upside, well, not upside down I should say. So here we go, the big reveal. Now I'm not going to be doing any measurements or anything, I just want to get into this box. So here we go. This is pretty exciting, and there's going to be another box inside. There we go. And slide him out of there. I'll move that away. Oh, you can see how excited I am because I'm making that all mucky. So let's get her open. Let's get her open. There we go. That's going to be, it's a bit cold as it's arrived in its van. So yes, let's peel this off of here, shall we? There we go. Very satisfying. Yeah, this is like I said, been a long time getting to this point for me. It's just we've got stickers all over this as well. So I'm just gonna pause this. So I'm gonna remove the stickers, and then we'll have a better look. So here we go, all de-stickered, and there we are in all her glory. I will come back and I will do a proper review once I've kind of calmed down, got the honeymoon period over with. But yeah, this is the Black Bay 41, so 41mm case on the bracelet. I probably will grab some leather for it at some time as well. That's probably a bit of a given. Let's just try this bezel out. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's just nice. Yeah. Yes, that's how a bezel should be. Yeah, really cool. Tudor rose on the crown. I've got my fingerprints on it already, look. But it's to be fair, it is still quite cold from being in the van that it came in. But yeah, everything really nice. Yeah. Oh, and I've left a sticker on. I'll pop that off in a minute. So yeah, there we go. It's just a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm really not going to objectively be able to get into this, because like I said, this has been several years in the making. But yeah, I will do a review once I've got the honeymoon period over with. There's going to be plenty of pictures of this on Instagram, so if you want to head off over to there and check out my photos, feel free. I'm going to have to say a huge shout out to Jazz from AMJ Watches, and I'm going to leave a link in the description to their website. Absolutely fantastic people to deal with, really helpful, and you know, nothing was too much trouble for them. So yeah, really pleased with the service. So yeah, go check them out, and I'll also leave links on my Instagram for them as well. Like I said, yeah, I've got really high praise for them. Okay, well that's it for now. If you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, that would be cool. And if you want to see what I think of this after a few weeks, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload any more content. Okay, that's it for now. Really quick unboxing. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.